What's up, guys? So the helmet has dried up. I've started masking it. I'll show you in a bit, and I'll wipe it down with some alcohol or some sanitizer. It's the same thing at the end of the day, to remove any kind of oils that might have been on my hands or on the tackle that I was using. So I'll wipe it down with the sanitizer, then finish masking and put on my first coat of black. Yeah, let's go. So I'm done, but this thing is hella sharp. The razor, and keeps moving, so I'm just using the case to hold it. But I think I've done a good job of masking out every part I need to mask. So now it's just to do the first, it's to clean it, then do my first coat of black. Yeah, let's go. So that's my first coat. It's not anywhere close to perfect, but it's a good start. It's a good start. I'm learning as I go, so I'm seeing how far I should hold my hand, how much I should press the nozzle, and all that. And I should have a continuous flow. Yeah, stop in one place too much, it becomes like that in that part. But being that it's my first coat, it's good. It's good. I'm happy. What's up, guys? Bada bang, bada bang. So unfortunately, my phone died last evening as I was doing the different coats on the helmet. But I finished it up as my phone was charging. I'm off camera, and this is where I'm at as of now. As you can see, I did 3 coats of black, and you can see how that looks on the helmet. I hope you're seeing it clearly. Yes, so that is done. Now it's just to go to the next part. I'm going to mask it and put a tribal kind of print in the center line here, like this, with a different color, with the blue. So at the moment, all I'll do is I'll tape. I'll use tape, scissors, a tape measure. Let me see. Get the tape measure real quick. Tape measure, and I think that's it. And pencil. Yeah. So from there on, I'll just get the distance from the 2 points of the helmet across like that, so I can get my center line. Then I can put my print. I can put my tape, sketch something nice in between there, and cut out the part I want to cut out, mask it, use the same paper I used here to mask the rest, and spray. So yeah, let's see how that's gonna be. as you guys can see, we're done. Okay, I'm done masking out the area to put my second coat of, no, my coat of blue for my strap. I'll do a strap. It will be an African print or like a Samoan kind of tattoo kind of thing that I'll just sketch on my tape. Then I'll cut out the tape, remove the areas I want to remove, then I'll put my blue on top. So masking wasn't so hard. All I needed was tape measure, tape, scissors, and a pencil. Anyone can do this really, and it's not that much of calculating. So what I did is, for the visor fixtures on both sides, I measured from end to end. I got my measurement, divided by 2, marked my point. So did the same thing at the back, from the fixtures of the helmet strap across, like that. Did my same thing, divided by 2, with my center line there, and at the front for the front face shield. Yeah. Then after I'd done that, I took the tape, put one all the way around to the back, connecting where the marks are. Then that was my center line, clearly, as you can see. So the masking, being that, or another thing for calculating, being that it's not an exact circle, you might find some areas that the measure does not lie flat, but try and get the best measurement that you can in between, and work with what you have. And yeah, that's what I did. The hard part was this front fascia, because it has the ventilation stick, so getting to cover that was a bit tricky. What I've done here is I've put tape across like that. Some of them at the bottom here are halfway, and some of them at the top are halfway too. Then I put across tape for 2 to seal that. A bit of it is still out, but it doesn't really matter. I'll probably, the design I'll have will incorporate that into the helmet. So I guess that's done for now. So now just to sketch, then cut them out and do my spray. But I won't do that right now. I have to leave, but I'll get back to you guys as soon as I have progress on the helmet. But it's coming out well. You can see how the black is pretty much pretty from the yellow we had. It's quite it's quite nice. My small bro likes it, so that's a good thing, you know. And let's see how that's gonna go. Cheers. So this is the update of the helmet. I have already done the sketches, as you can see, of what I want to cut out. I hope it's clear. Anyway, bad camera equipment. I'm using my phone. So as you can see, I've already done my mock-up of the design I want on the helmet, and now it's all to use my razor to cut out some of these areas. Then in the morning, because right now it's dark, as you can see, in the morning I'll mask the rest with newspaper and put my blue. Yeah, that's the design of the hammer that I have. It's a lot of work, but I guess I'm just extra like that. I would have gone for a simpler design, though. Go hard or go home. At the end of the day, you know, go hard or go home. So this is how I'm gonna do it. Hopefully it will turn out great. I hope it turns out great. I really don't know how to turn out, but I will only know after I've cut out and I've sprayed. Yeah, that's when I can see the results. But for now, that's all. That's it. Yeah, that's it.